You can set your Defender Guard app to alert you and trigger recordings when motion is detected. On the device main menu, tap the three dots to the top right of the camera and tap Device Details. Tap Motion Detection Setting. Turn on motion detection. To change the motion detection sensitivity, tap Motion Detection Sensitivity. On this screen, you can select the amount of motion it will take to trigger motion detection. 5 is the maximum sensitivity, 1 is the lowest sensitivity and will not trigger as many motion alerts. To set up activity zones, tap Detection Region Setting. On this screen, you can select areas that the Defender Guard app will ignore when detecting motion. The Defender Guard app will ignore squares not covered by orange. To clear the entire screen, tap Clear. To draw an activity zone, drag your finger around the area. To clear an activity zone, tap Eraser and draw around the area that you want to erase. To invert the selection, tap Invert.